Hi everyone, and welcome to our course on interactive dashboards with Plotly and Dash. In this course, we'll explore how to create interactive dashboards using Plotly and Dash. As Python programmers, we often create dashboards using libraries like matplotlib or others. In this course, we'll demonstrate how to create interactive tracking dashboards with Plotly and Dash without needing to know JavaScript. Plotly is a JavaScript graphing library, but you don't need to worry about learning JavaScript because Plotly has a Python wrapper. This means you can write your code in Python and the wrapper converts it to JavaScript, resulting in an interactive dashboard. Plotly offers several unique advantages. It's fast and easy to implement simple plots. It's a low-code or low-effort option using Plotly Express. It's highly customizable if desired. All plots are interactive by default, as the library is designed for creating interactive dashboards. You can create plots with Plotly using different methods. Plotly Express for simple and quick plots. Plotly Graph Objects for customization and more advanced tasks. Plotly Factory for specific and advanced job needs. We'll focus on Plotly Express and Plotly Graph Objects in this course. A Plotly figure can have a layout, which is a dictionary controlling the figure's style. Each figure can only have one layout. The data is also a list of dictionaries that set the graph type and the data itself. You'll need to specify the chart type, whether it's a bar chart, pie chart, etc. Data plus type equals trace, and there are over 40 trace types, including bar charts, pie charts, and more. You can also have multiple traces per graph. For more resources on Plotly, you can visit the official Plotly documentation, and for additional tutorials, you can check out Geeks for Geeks. That's all for the introduction to Plotly. In our next class, we'll be talking about Dash. Thank you all for being with me today, and see you in the next class.